Alright, ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi, I'm Hugo. You can reach us at Hugo and Stacy.dance. Please come visit us in the Tampa Bay, Florida area at our studio called District Dance Academy. In today's workshop, we focused a lot on a concept we call calibration, but the theme of the workshop initially was the future of styling is freedom. And what I wanted you to get out of the workshop is instead of worrying about how your styling could affect your footwork and make you off time in the next transition, this is going to feel more free in terms of using the styling and then fixing it as efficiently as you can at the very end. But sometimes you'll notice that you don't have to calibrate. So today we went over a couple examples. We have this huge amalgamation put together. So we're going to start off with a basic sugar push. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, left side pass. We're stepping 1, 2. One of the things we talked about was utilizing your tools not only in a stationary manner, but also progressing it so you can feel free depending on where the pattern structure lies. Leaders, consistently rotate to the left while we go, and slash, walk, walk.
And for follows, making sure when you're choosing whatever it is that you're going to do, you're asking yourself, am I changing the direction that he's moving me? Or am I changing the rhythm of the pattern, the overall structure of the pattern? If the answer is no to both of those questions, you're good to go. So within this pattern, I'm continuing my flight along the original direction that he gave me, and I'm keeping it within my 6 beats. So even if he did a basic left side pass, I would still be able to facilitate this without messing up his plan at all.
Good. The next pattern was an underarm turn. We step 1, 2. We're going to volta, which is just a ball change, stepping across. Make it really small so that you don't travel through too far. So we go, and 3, and 4. From here, we're calibrating. We're on the wrong foot. We're going to do the opposite of the next section. Normally it's a triple, but now we have to walk, walk. From there, we're at the final position, which is the
bookend. So here we discuss the difference between a bookend and a fold or a hammerlock. Remember, a bookend is going to keep the hand nice and level as we move around to the other side of the slot. It's also great for resistance. Versus a fold or a bookend, the hand's going to move down as it folds up to the lower part of her back, and it's much better for a compression on count 4.
You'll see a lot of the times like a shootout from that position, which is great. There's a lot of compression. I can use that to shoot her out. But it's not the best facilitator of resistance. So again, utilizing that hand out. And leaders, we talked about using this like kind of turning the wheel wide. So you keep the hand level and keep kind of slack along the arm as you're moving through.
Almost, I'm making sure I'm looking up over him, over my shoulder, so I don't dislocate that shoulder. And from here, we're ronding for count 5, collecting our leg for 6. So again, we're on the wrong foot. So now we're going to do the opposite of the next section. We normally do a walk. Now we're going to do a triple in a lockstep fashion. And it falls right back into our second triple, and we can anchor to finish.
Thank you so much for coming to our workshop, and we'll see you in Florida. Take care.